of this video is to show the 3 products I introduced in the article. Because the glass fiber is brittle, please wear gloves when touching these products. First one is the fire sleeve. There are 4 colors we make: red, black, green, and blue. We sell most in red and black. This sleeve is made of fiberglass and silicone. Fiberglass inside and silicone outside. Its insulation and fire resistance. If your pipe or cable is removable, you can choose this one. But if your cable or pipe is fixed, you can't move it. You can choose this fire sleeve with Velcro. This is made of fire sleeve, so the function is totally same. You can just put your cable or pipe into the sleeve, then close it. This is okay. Finally, this one is fiberglass sleeve. You can see there is no silicone outside. It's just made of the braided fiberglass yarns in a flexible substrate. It's smooth texture. The advantage is it's cheaper, and it can work in the continuous 260 centigrade environment, so it's also the good choice. Okay, that's all for today's sharing. See you next week. Bye bye.